Okay, folks, here we go. Bitcoin. Trading at 10,718, $10,718. I've put a fib extension on Bitcoin from the lows on the 8th of September in this correction to the highs on the 19th when we got up to 11,207 and the lows were 9,825. So Bitcoin has come back, bounced back up, got up to the fib 50 at 10,818. It was strong resistance there for a while, and then we went back down to the 236 at 1040. We've just come up, and then today, so in the last 40 minutes, Bitcoin has got above the 382 fib and is using that as support now. So on the upside, the target 10818. Beyond that, 10979 is a good target there. And then on the downside, you're looking at the 236 to be support, 10460. But I'd quite like Bitcoin to come down there to 10140 and double bottom in this little pattern here. And then I think Bitcoin is ready to go back up then, because we've got A, B. I don't think the C leg's complete. So I think the C leg will complete down here, 101,480, and then we're ready to go back upwards. Let's have a look at another fib. Bitcoin's the all-important one, really, isn't it? So let's have a look at a fib retrace on Bitcoin from the highs on the 17th of August to those lows. And yeah, we've bounced. We're in that channel. Even the moving averages on the daily are starting to go sideways. So we're in a pretty sideways range at the moment. Neutral range. Above the 100-day. And then sort of resistance on the 20-day. The 50-day is the big target. Get above the 50-day. And we're thinking more bullish again then at 10,948. And also the 11,000 barrier is at that point as well. Let's have another look at another more zoomed out Fibonacci retracement all the way from March lows. See where we are with those on a larger scale. These March lows here up to those highs. Let's get it right. And yeah, we're battling along that 236 line. There's really not a lot happening there. I'd say we use the 100 moving average as support, but other than that, it's a real sideways range there. Let's try putting the fibs on the other way round. Let's have a look at, because I noticed a low. I actually, hang on about, right, because I say aware that the low, that the cycle that we need to look at is not that one, or put our fibs the other way around. We need to look at that low that we had in June here, June the 27th, because this was here was a leg, was like a consolidation range. Then we had a low and then a rally up. So let's put our fibs there. Yeah, we've had a good bounce off the 618 and now we're at the fib 50. I think they're key, those fibs. I think that's a key kit fib. And we can get past 382. So there's a confluence at 11,000. And just above, if Bitcoin can get above about there, that's the highest one, about 11,084. So if you see Bitcoin trading at 11,100 and closing daily candles above that level, that's bullish. Move on. Always like to look at Ethereum next. Ethereum, again, it's a very sideways range on the daily chart. And the fib 236 at 352 is where Ethereum's been locked after, again, the 100 moving average, good support. It's locked there. It's on that 20-day moving average. It's very neutral at the moment in the crypto markets. Crypto markets are neutral. Let's have a look at Ethereum on a shorter time frame. See what's been happening recently in this correction. So you've got an A, a B. I think we could be going down in Ethereum, actually. Although bullish long term, I can't see that correction's been completed. Oh no, let's have a look at this. Unless that's part of a right. A, B, C. Now, is that the finish of the correction there? I really couldn't tell you. I really don't know if that is the finish of that correction. Let's get a fib extension. I do like the fib extension. Up to there, down to there, and now where are we? Oh, and now where are we now? Sorry, I'll get rid of the old one so it's clearer. Oh. Well, looking at that, it's interesting. We're just hitting the 382. These fib extensions are really interesting. So yeah, the fib 382 at 355. Above that, that's to be quite a big breakthrough, I think, in Ethereum, Bitcoin. Not Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum US dollar. I look at the others I like to look at Monero. Monero's doing well at the moment. I've got a fib extension on Monero here. And Monero came right back down a couple of days ago in a pullback, but it looks like it's going back up again, and it can get above that 236, 106. Monero's performance recently has been very good, very good. As Bitcoin has corrected from August, Monero has more or less gone on a rally. It'll be interesting to watch, and Monero Bitcoin's even more impressive. Let's have a look at Chainlink BTC. I don't think much is happening in Chainlink, to be honest with you. That's a 3-day chart of Chainlink BTC. So it's a bigger picture one. And it's stuck at that 618 range from the lows, because Chainlink had lows in May. So it's stuck there. It came down to this moving average, which is the 50, but it's 3 days. It's 150 moving average, 150-day moving average. So it's that 50 times 3. And that was a key moving average. In lots of charts, the 150-day. It's the same as the 21-week. The 21-week is 147 days. And so the 150-day is the same, really, as the 21-week. So, yeah, neutral, really, until above 102,622 sats. It's neutral, and we're currently trading at 88,887. So that's quite a way in Chainlink. And Chainlink US dollar. Chainlink's the craze because of the performance that it's had over the last. The volume has sunk Chainlink US dollar. It really has. It came down to near the 200 and is skirting along the 618 now. But again, it's not. It's got these moving averages that it's below, and they're lined up quite bearish at the moment. So Chainlink US dollar is bearish, in my opinion, at the moment. Let's have a look at a fib. So from that high to that low, we've not even got above the 236. Chainlink is locked in a sideways range, and there's no indication of whether there could be a trade. So where's the high there? That's the high. Let's go down to there. Let's see where we are. It's bounced off the 382 in that extension, and it's at the 236. 1117 is a big target. If it gets above 973, it's at 953 at the moment. 1123 is a target. I like to look at, because I have now a basket pot called Blue Token. It's a fantastic product because you've diversified across 14 different cryptos. So, you're mainly in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you've got the two big boys that you're mainly in, the two safe bets, but you're also in a lot of others like Chainlink and Algorand, Binance Coin and Cardano. So you're spread out. So your risk is spread out. They're really great products. Algorand is bearish on Bitcoin at the moment. I'm bearish because we've used the 200 as support, and I suppose until it closes below that 200, it's positive, but it's below other key moving averages, and it's still below the 236 on that Fibonacci. Let's try another one. Let's get an extension on this latest action. So from there to there. These are small scale, really. So yeah, we came right back down to the 382 perfectly. Now, get above the 236 at 3,049 sats. We're looking at 3,460 sats. Anything above that, I'm buying Algorand. I'm buying Algorand US dollar. I'm backing Algorand. Binance coin on a daily chart. I'm not sure what fibs they are. Let's get them off. So let's see where we are with a fib retracement from the high in September to the low in September. We are in that channel. We came down and touched the 382. We're looking to get above 27,715 sats. If we do that, we're looking bullish, but beware the double top. Cardano Bitcoin, again, I don't think the setup's particularly bullish. We're trading above this moving average and used it as support, the 20, which is positive. We're above the 200. We are below the 50 and below the 236 fib on this chart. And until we get above those, we are neutral. Crypto, there's a lot coming up this week, I think. Are we going to see a breakout? I'm very neutral on a lot of crypto at the moment. There's no clear trends. There's a lot of sideways action. So we'll wait and see. Please keep up with my Facebook lives where I'm talking about lots of different things as well as financial markets.